In a kadai, add 3 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is heat, add cardamom, cloves and cinnamon. Now add 3 sliced onions. Add salt as required. Now fry until onions turn golden brown. Now add a teaspoon of red chili powder and a teaspoon of chicken biryani masala. Mix it once and add chopped pudina and coriander leaves. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until the raw smell goes. Now add 6 tomatoes and 6 green chilies. Once the tomatoes are cooked well, add 3 tablespoons of curd and cook until oil separates. Now add chicken pieces and cook until they are 80% done. Now add soaked rice. Mix it well. Now add 1 lemon's juice. Now add water and adjust salt as required. Now cover and cook. Mix in between. When the rice is cooked perfectly, turn off the flame and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, enjoy the masala-less tasty biryani. Thank you for watching. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe.